Hello everyone, this is a June 12 question, paper 1-1, and the question number is 38. The question reads, a number of alcohols with the formula C4H10O are separately oxidized. Using 70 gram of the alcohols, a 62% yield of organic product is achieved. We also underline the word separately. What mass of product could be obtained? The first option is 42.2 grams of butanone. How do we form butanone? It's by oxidation of secondary alcohol. The secondary alcohol in this case would be butane-2-ol. If we form the equation, we'll have CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3 plus oxygen. This would give us CH3 CO CH2 CH3. Now if we'll calculate the mole ratio of this, first we need to find the mole of butane-2-ol, the secondary alcohol. Its moles are 70 grams, and the MR value is 12 into 4 is 48. Hydrogen would make it 58 and oxygen would make it 16, means 74. And now calculating this, we'll have 70 by 74. This is 0.946. 0.946. The mole ratio gives us, the stoichiometric ratio gives us idea that the same number of ketone is formed. So these same moles of ketone are formed. Now we'll have to calculate the mass of ketone in case of 100% yield. We'll have 0.946 equals to its mass divided by its MR value. The MR is this is 15 is 30, this is 14. 14 would make it 44, and this CO would make it 72. Now we have mass in case of 100% yield is 0.946 into 72 is 68.1 grams. Now the mass we'd obtain in case of 62% yield is, we have to multiply 68.1 by 0.62. So multiplying it by 0.62, we'll have 42.23 grams of butanone. So option 1 is correct. Now looking at option 2 and 3, what we see is there are same mass of product, and their molecular formula is also same. Butanoic acid has also both butanoic acid and 2-methyl propanoic acid has same molecular formula. They are isomers of structural isomers of each other. So if we find out the yield of just one product, we can confirm whether second one is correct or not. So we'll check for option 3, because if option 3 is correct, 2 should be correct. Option 3 is 51.6 grams of 2-methyl propanoic acid. Now how do we form 2-methyl propanoic acid? Its structure is 2-methyl propanoic acid. Its structure would be, we'll have H is here, 3 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen here. Now how do we form this? We form this from oxidation of primary alcohol, because carboxylic acid. We could also have secondary alcohol, form either primary alcohol or from aldehyde. But the formation can't be from aldehyde, because if we have aldehyde, then we can't satisfy the 10 hydrogen in that case. So we need to have primary alcohol. So the primary alcohol is this one. So it has MR of 74, and if we calculate the moles of this, the moles of this alcohol is also 0.946, and moles of this carboxylic acid is also 0.946. So and we need to calculate its MR value. The MR value would be this is 15, this is 15, this makes it 30, this is 13, and COOH. And this is 12 plus 32 plus 1. The MR value is 88. So its mass in case of 100% yield would be mass divided by 88. So therefore mass would be 88 into 0.946. Oh my god. 0.943 into 0.946. This is 83.25. 83.25. Now we need to do the same as before. We'll multiply this by 0.62. 0.62. So this is 51.6 grams. This is correct, so this makes this also correct. That means I'll write it here. A is the correct answer.